Hi guys, so I'm in Bangkok. I've been here a few days. I'm about to check out of my hotel and head to Pattaya. Just love being here, but really looking forward to getting to Pattaya.
Just a darn minute.
Where's all the Bangkok footage? You've been in Bangkok a few days, where's the footage? Guys, I've had a minor disaster. I have a new camera, new microphone, and a new thing called a media mod. Tested them out 100 times at home, all fantastic. As soon as I arrived in Bangkok, I unpacked my bags out into the street and away. Recorded that whole night, recorded the whole next day. I went to the BTS station, I went shopping, I had a dinner, I'd done all sorts of stuff. I went to South Cowboy, just everywhere. No volume recorded. Right? Bloody thing. So, I'm now in Pattaya. I'm now in Pattaya. So what I decided to do was just keep recording, do enough for 2 or 3 videos. And then when I get to Pattaya, I was going to download it onto my laptop and go and then start editing. I've arrived in Pattaya, downloaded it onto my laptop, downloaded it onto my laptop, and there's no volume. There's nothing to be done, it can't be recovered. You know, it's things like that have happened to me before in small way, but this is like a minor disaster. 2 days wasted. Anyway, doesn't matter. What did happen, luckily, I had my older camera with me and I recorded some B-roll. B-roll is just like showing you around, but there's no voiceovers on it or anything like that. So I'm showing you that now. I think I'm going to be showing you that now while I'm telling you this story. Also, I've decided then I'm going to come back to Bangkok a couple of days early and do it all again. Oh my god. Oh, anyway, it doesn't really matter. That's just things happen. Shit happens. So now we're going to head to, in this video, I'm already here. You're going to head to Pattaya, which I've just done today. So what you're about to see was this morning. Alright, so onward and upward. So welcome to the channel. I'm going to do a few videos when I'm in Pattaya. A few things to do. Talk to you soon. Only in Thailand.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself.
Now any of you guys that watch any Thailand videos, Thailand has been YouTubed and videoed to death. It's impossible to find a new slant on how to video. But what I've decided to do 100% in all of these videos, I want to give you a feel for what Thailand's like. I'll show you the good, the bad and the ugly. This is us coming to Pattaya now, and I just love it. I just get a great feeling when I arrive here. On this trip, it's all cities. So this is obviously tourist Thailand, and it's hard in video to get across just how wonderful this place is. It can look a bit scruffy quite a lot of the time, but the atmosphere is amazing all the time. The people are so friendly. It's the land of smiles for good reason.
Look at beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke.
Welcome to Pattaya. Bangkok, as you've seen, was massive and so much to do. 24 hours a day. Pattaya is the nightlife capital of Asia, and again it's 24 hours. Fantastic food, fantastic entertainment, everything you could possibly want. And we're also going to go to Jomtien, a little bit further down the coast, which is a bit quieter, but it's still unbelievably good and unbelievably exciting. I'll try when I remember to give you prices of things like beer and taxis and all that sort of stuff. So I hope you enjoy my particular slant on Thailand videos. Onward and upward. My hotel is in a soy. Soys are streets, and it's just off Soi Bukhara, which is a very famous entertainment area. Right, up into the room, unload the bags, out for something to eat, See you at the restaurant.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna.
Thai food, wonderful and cheap. Pork chop and chip and peppered sauce, wonderful and cheap.
Later that same evening.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
Right, quick game of pool. Then I'm going to have an early night. Rarely have an early night in Pattaya, but I'm exhausted. Before I go back to the hotel, I think I'll do a lap of Pattaya in what's called a back bus. She laughed at me going off.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So this is what it's like in a back bus. It's not calm. It's a bit like a tuk-tuk in Bangkok.
I'm hanging off the back, holding on with one hand. And on that note, I'm going to leave it off there. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Love to hear your comments. But until next time, bye for now.